Hey everybody, it's Joe DeGanzik with another edition of your Friday Smart Home Quick Tips right here on Smarter Home Life, talking about privacy and security cameras with a little twist, and I'll get to that here in a second. I think we're all familiar with the trend over the years to install, exterior security cameras on our homes. Many people are more and more concerned about home security. But, the recent trend is also to install cameras or add them to the indoors to monitor things as well, which raises some eyebrows and some privacy fears and so forth. Some camera companies or manufacturers have added, privacy kind of motorized shutters, scheduling and so forth, but you're probably not alone in thinking, well, is it really off? Is it really not monitoring me? There's multiple ways that they try to do this, but I kind of thought about this when I started reviewing some security camera devices a while back, and I thought, well, isn't the better way to do this to just virtually pull the plug on it when I don't want it recording me or monitoring what's going on? And I think that really is the best way, and it's the easiest way to do it. So that's where smart plugs come in. Sometimes people ask me, well, how do you use these things? Do you use them for anything except holiday lights? And I use a number of these things all the time. So here's a good example of one. This one is the iHome ISP 6X. Say that 10 times fast. You can get it on Amazon for about $25. It's compatible with practically everything, all the voice assistants and the major smart home platforms, Wink and SmartThings, IFTTT, and Apple, Amazon, Google. And the great thing is you plug this into the wall, you get it set up so you know the app works and so forth. You can control it remotely. You plug your security camera into it, and then you add it to your routines. Now, you may already have routines already set up in, whatever smart home system you have, or like I just talked about a few videos ago, in the newer routines feature from Google and Amazon's Alexa. I didn't do the disclaimer this time. So anyways, when you're leaving home, if you've got that routine set up, you turn the camera power on. When you're coming back home, you turn the camera power off. And I also use it for nighttime. So when I'm going to sleep, my good night routine includes, again, a power on command. So the smart plug turns on, camera boots up, monitors things throughout the night. And then with my smart home alarm clock system that I comically demonstrated on the tour about a year ago, in the morning when I turn my alarm off, it also shuts the power to the camera and to the plug off as well. It's the guaranteed way to basically make sure that you want the camera to be doing its job on your schedule, and that is as simple as it gets. If you got questions on anything relating to this or anything in and around the smart home, head over to my little Q&A mini site, smarterhomehelp.com, and fill out the form. You can even schedule a dedicated smart home consulting session in real time with me for big projects and complicated questions and all that stuff. Otherwise, I'm Joe DeGanzik. Make your home just a little bit smarter every single day, and I'll see you next time.